All right, so B, can you please introduce yourselves to us?
Okay, my name is Beatrice Williamson, and I'm actually a native Kenyan. When I'm in Oklahoma, people never know that I'm actually from Africa. A lot of people think I'm Black American, but I'm right from this village. Where I'm standing on this ground is where I was born. One funny story: when I was little, my parents, or my cousins or my uncles, they always made fun of me that I was born in the kitchen. And because when I was little, I used to eat a lot. And so right here, where behind you, is where I was actually born. My mom had me not in the hospital, but in kitchen behind her house.
Can you show us what it's like inside?
Okay. This used to be a kitchen, but now, actually, the way we are doing Maisha, the boys, about 14 boys, are sleeping here, and it's a very pathetic situation, or not really situation, but an environment. We have one bed, and the rest of them use these blankets and sleep on the floor here without anything. And so there's 14 boys in this room. But in 3 weeks, we have got a boys' housing just built adjacent to this place where they are going to be moved in 14 weeks, and each one of them is going to have their own bed, mattress, blanket, so it's really, really awesome. But right where I'm standing is where I was born.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.